Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My channel's name is Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now today in this video, from the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have come to know that I am going to compare this particular primer base oil, that is Stay Quirky primer base oil, with some other oil. Now which is that oil, how they are going to perform, we will see each and everything in today's video. But before moving ahead, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, then definitely the links for the Instagram as well as for the Facebook will also be given in the description box. So don't forget to check that as well. And the buying link of all these products, whichever products I am going to show you today in this video, will also be given in the description box. So check that as well. Now let's begin with the video. I'm going to talk about in detail for this product, that is Stay Quirky First Primer Base Oil. You all must have seen individual review of this product. It comes in this kind of small glass bottle. Okay. Basically the bottle comes with this kind of silver cap. Okay, this kind of silver cap as well as this kind of rubber cap inside. When you open the silver cap, it has this kind of rubber cap inside this particular bottle. Okay, and the dropper is given separately in this package itself. Okay, it is exclusively available on Purplle. You all know Stay Quirky is exclusively available on Purplle. Okay, and the cost for this is 199 rupees. Yes, and this is for 10 ml, 199 rupees. But definitely during sale time and all, you can find this product on discount. Right, now what they have said, like how to use. On a naked face, take 2 to 3 drops of SQ First Base Primer Oil, gently massage, prepping your face for the first base. Right, that is they have given you on this particular product. Now what I am going to do is, this is for 199 rupees. Now basically my goal is to get the best and the affordable product on my channel. So what I am going to do is, I am going to compare this particular product, that is of around 199 rupees product, you can say 200 rupees product. I am going to compare it with this particular product. Now you will say, Meghna, are you crazy? You cannot compare the Stay Quirky oil, that is primer base oil, with this particular oil. So that is what, this is just a trial and error. I am not sure how it is going to be performing and all that. I am not aware. This is also for me also, this is going to be first impression. So that is why I am going to shoot it on the camera. I want to get the best one for you. This is the Beauty Co. You all must have heard about this particular product. This is the Beauty Co. Rose Gold Oil. Okay, and it is from the brand The Beauty Co. This is for 25 ml. This particular product is for 20. This is 25 ml and this is 10 ml. Of course, this is very costly. This is for around 1250. You all can see the price is given over here. 1250 is the price. Alright. So 1250, but like during sale times, max to max we can say it goes on sale for around 20 to 30%. Right. So that also will cost you around 800 to 1000, between 800 to 1000 for 25 ml. Alright, and this is for 10 ml. So you all can do your math and you all can calculate according to your budget which one is better for you. So what I am going to do is, on my right hand side, as I am showing you, on my right hand side I am going to apply this XQ First Primer Base Oil, that is this, and on my left hand side I am going to apply this particular Rose Gold Oil. That is why right now you cannot see anything on my face besides the lipstick. I don't have anything on my face. You all can see my face is bare face. I have just applied the moisturizer. So what I will do is, on camera I will apply both the oils. Then off camera I will do my full face of makeup and then I will come up with the review. So what I will do is, first I will apply on my right side this particular oil. So what I will do is, I will just take now on my left side. I'll show you the texture also in the end of both the oils, but right now let me just apply and let me come up with the full face of makeup. Right, so what you have to do when you apply this particular rose gold oil, you have to just shake it well. Okay, because the rose gold particles, they settles down in the bottom of the bottle. So you just have to shake well like this, and then this comes like this only. It comes with the dropper. Here is the dropper, like you all can see. So what I'll do is, because I don't have mirror, I'll take 2-3 drops in my hand. We will just let it sink for some time, like off camera I will let it sink for some time, then I will come up with my full face of makeup, and then we will decide how the makeup basically applies on the face after applying this oil. So now what I'll do is, I'll just pause the video, I'll come up with the full face of makeup. Alright. Yes, I'm back. Now you all can see I have not set my face with any kind of setting spray. This is just the normal glow. What you are watching, what you can see right now on the screen is just the normal glow what I've got with this particular oils. On my right side, this is the particular SQ oil, and on my left hand side, this is the particular rose gold oil. Alright. Now, if you talk about my first impression, because my first impression is like with this, both the oils is my first impression. I have not used both the oils before. Alright. So, even for me, this is the first impression. So, if you ask me, Ki Meghna, okay, tell us your opinion, I will suggest you can go definitely for this oil, because this is very affordable. It is just for 199, that is for 200 rupees and 10 ml. Of course, during sale times, but I am calculating right now on the MRP. This is 200 rupees for 10 ml. So if you calculate, this is around 1250 for 25 ml, but around 20 to 30% offer, then still this is costlier than this. So if you tell me this is the affordable one and this is the best one for dry skin, but if oily skin person is also using this, I do not find any kind of oiliness on my face. So if oily person is using, use little bit sparingly. Don't go overboard. You can just use little bit. And if dry skin person like me who is going to use it, then definitely you can use it. There is no problem, because my base makeup is looking flawless. I do not require any kind of other primers. Like besides this, I don't find any need for any other primer. So I think I have covered up each and everything, but still if you have anything to ask me, definitely both the oils are not basically comparable, because both the oils are totally different, but the purpose what they serve is the same. Even with this also you can use this as your primer. Even this also you can use this as your primer base. So that is why I am going to compare. I have compared in this video. So don't take it this way ki what Meghna, what topics you are taking, you are comparing two different oils in a one video. No, I have considered the basic purpose of the oils, and that is why I have compared it. And basically I have covered each and every point in this video, but still if you have anything to ask me, definitely you can drop your comment in the comment section, or else if you have any other video request also to make, that also you can drop down in the comment section. I definitely try to fulfill your request or your comment as soon as possible. And if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then please give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. And if you don't like this video also, then don't do anything. Just leave the video and go off. Don't give a thumbs down. Alright, because I know this is very different oils, but still I wanted to compare. Alright, so I think that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.